Imagine waking up every day knowing that you're already a step closer to your financial goals, no matter what else happens. That's the power of paying yourself first. Think about it. Before you pay your bills, before you buy groceries, before you do anything else, you set aside a portion of your income to save. This isn't just another budgeting technique, it's a mindset shift. It's about making your future financial security a priority, above all else. Paying yourself first is like planting a seed. With time and consistent effort, that seed grows into a sturdy tree, providing shade and fruits. A metaphor for financial security and independence. It's a simple concept, yet can be transformative. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. And the first payment you should make every month is to yourself. Now, doesn't that sound like a financial strategy worth trying? Let's dive in and discover the top 10 ways to pay yourself first. Firstly, consider setting up automatic savings. It's a simple yet powerful strategy. Think of it as an invisible hand, gently guiding a portion of your income into a savings or investment account each time you get paid. This is done before you have a chance to spend it. It's like a magic trick where your money disappears from your paycheck and reappears in your savings account. But it's no illusion. With automatic savings, you're prioritizing your future without even thinking about it. Secondly, prioritize your retirement contributions. Think of it as your future self, thanking you for the foresight. Contributing to your retirement fund early and consistently is not just a smart move, it's a necessity. Every dollar you put away today can grow exponentially over time, thanks to the magic of compounding. This is a simple yet powerful concept that can turn small regular investments into a substantial nest egg. Remember, the earlier you start, the more you benefit from the magic of compounding. Thirdly, always allocate a portion of your raises and bonuses. When those delightful boosts in income come your way, don't just spend them mindlessly. Instead, think of them as golden opportunities to grow your wealth. Whether it's a hefty bonus or a minor raise, direct a part of it into your savings or investments. It's like giving your future self a pat on the back. Remember, every dollar saved or invested today can multiply tomorrow. Every increase in income is an opportunity to increase your wealth. Fourthly, invest in income-generating assets. These are the financial tools that do the hard work for you. Think about rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or peer-to-peer lending platforms. These assets help you grow your wealth while you sleep, turning your hard-earned money into a steady stream of passive income. It's like having a second job without the extra hours. So consider this. It's not just about making money, but making your money work for you. Remember, wealth isn't just about what you earn, it's also about what you own. Fifthly, create and stick to a budget. Budgeting is a cornerstone of financial success. It's the blueprint for your financial future. It's about knowing where your money is going, so that you can set and achieve your financial goals. When you create a budget, you're prioritizing your financial well-being. You're paying yourself first. Remember, budgeting isn't about restricting what you spend. It's about understanding your spending and making sure it aligns with your goals. With a budget, you're in control of your money, not the other way around. Sixthly, pay off high-interest debts. Consider this. Every dollar you put towards reducing your debt is a dollar that isn't being eaten away by interest. It's like a race against time. The faster you eliminate these debts, the more you save in the long run. It's a direct form of paying yourself first. Think of it as diverting your hard-earned money from the pockets of lenders to your own future financial freedom. Paying off debt is like giving yourself a guaranteed return on investment. Seventhly, build an emergency fund. It's the financial buffer that stands between you and unexpected life events. Think of it as a safety net, catching you from financial mishaps. Whether it's a sudden job loss or an unforeseen medical expense, an emergency fund can keep you afloat without sinking into debt. It provides peace of mind, knowing that you're prepared for financial surprises. Remember, it's not about if an emergency will happen, but when. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Eighthly, invest in your health. You may wonder, what does health have to do with finance? Well, a lot. This is an often overlooked aspect of paying yourself first. Investing in your health means eating right, exercising regularly, and getting necessary medical checkups. It's just like maintaining a car. The better you take care of it, the longer it runs without costly repairs. Similar is our body. The healthier we are, the less we spend on medical bills. Your health is your wealth after all. Ninthly, invest in personal development. This is about paying yourself first with knowledge and skills that can lead to greater income opportunities down the line. It's about taking courses, attending seminars, reading books, getting certified. It's about learning a new language or mastering a new software. This is a long-term investment that might not pay off immediately, but it's worth every penny. It's about enriching yourself and becoming a better version of you. Never underestimate the ROI of investing in yourself. Lastly, practice gratitude and give back. In the hustle and bustle of building wealth, let's not forget the enriching value of giving back to the community. It's more than just charity. It's a way of acknowledging the help we've received and passing it forward. This act of gratitude can bring immense satisfaction, joy, and a sense of fulfillment. It's a unique investment, not in materialistic gain, but in happiness. When you give back, you're also investing in your own happiness and fulfillment. So, those are the top 10 ways to pay yourself first. We've journeyed through the power of prioritizing your financial health, from setting up automatic savings to allocating portions of your raises and bonuses. We've navigated the importance of investing in income-generating assets, creating a budget that works for you, and tackling high-interest debts head-on. We've also explored how building an emergency fund can offer a safety net for life's unexpected turns, and how investing in both your physical health and personal development can reap long-term financial rewards. And finally, we've touched on the significance of practicing gratitude and giving back, a reminder that financial security goes hand in hand with a fulfilled life. Remember, the path to financial independence begins with paying yourself first. Now think about your own financial habits. Are you putting yourself first? And if not, which of these strategies can you start implementing today? Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on managing your finances effectively.